Reasons to invest in a full-frame window replacement. Completely replacing your home's windows is a big investment that can pay dividends in the form of improved curb appeal and increased efficiency. Is replacing windows a good investment? Yes, investing in full-frame replacement windows will make your home more comfortable and could end up saving you a ton of money. By lowering the load on your HVAC system, modern, energy-efficient windows reduce drafts and heat transfer, which in turn lowers your power bills. New windows also improve your property's visual appeal, which can raise its resale value and make it more appealing to a wider range of buyers. When is a full-frame window replacement needed? The replacement of the entire frame is the best solution for dealing with decaying, distorted, or severely damaged window frames. Opt for a full-frame replacement if you notice air leaks, drafts, or water seepage, as these may indicate structural problems. Benefits of a full-frame window replacement. A full-frame window replacement gives you the chance to fix any underlying problems instead of just masking them. This is because taking the old frame out allows you to check for damage to the surrounding wall structure and fix it before you install your new windows. It also improves energy efficiency by reducing heat loss and gain, leading to lower energy bills with modern, well-insulated windows. The ability to update the window area with new trim and finishes is another perk of this replacement type, which can boost your home's curb appeal. A full-frame window replacement is an investment that can pay off in spades, boosting energy efficiency, improving the look of your home, and even increasing its value. To provide a long-lasting and successful solution, our comprehensive installation method tackles both the visual elements of your windows and any underlying structural issues. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.